Meaning of laser printer.
Laser printer.
Laser printer.
Laser printer.
Laser printer. A laser printer is a type of printer that uses a laser beam to produce images and text on paper. The laser beam scans across a negatively charged drum, causing the drum's surface to become positively charged in certain areas. Toner particles are then attracted to these charged areas, creating the desired image or text on the paper as it passes through the printer. Laser printers are known for their high-quality output and fast printing speeds, making them popular in offices and other settings where large volumes of printed documents are produced.